Dear students, this is Dev's Academy. Today we will discuss the same chapter of arithmetical progression AP. You must know that previously some classes I have done for the formulae of AP. Now this is going on. Just see the first question. This is for class 10 and 11. For class 11 it is preliminary because they will have a vast course in progression, arithmetical progression, geometrical progression and harmonic progression too. So it is now arithmetical progression. The first question: find the 31st term of an AP whose 10th term is 38 and 16th term is 74. It is given that 10th term is 38 and 16th term is 74. The solution: let the first term of the AP be A and common difference equal to D. Always in this class, in an AP, the first term is A and the common difference is D. Therefore 10th term equal to A plus 9D equal to 38, and the 16th term, that is A plus 15D equal to 74. You must know the formula that any term equal to first term plus the nth term, that is n minus 1 into d. This is with the formula we have calculated the 10th and the 16th term. After having the simultaneous equation and equating, we are getting a equal to minus 16 and d equal to 6. Therefore first term equal to minus a and common difference is C, 6. Therefore the 31st term will be A plus 31 minus 1 into 6, that is minus 16 plus 30 into 6, that is 164. This is the answer. You have to remember the formula that has been discussed in the previous class. Second question: which term of the series 21, 81, 15 is minus 81? The question further tells: can any term of this series be 0? If yes, find the number of the term. You must know that the nth term equal to first term, that is A plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term. With this formula you can find out any term if you know the first term and the common difference. Here the common difference here it is given 18 minus 21. 18 minus 21 equal to minus 3. Therefore common difference is minus 3. First term is 21. And let nth term be minus 81. According to this formula, it is first term plus nth term minus 1 into minus 3 equal to 81. After solving, we are getting that n equal to in the 31st term, that 30 n equal to 35. N equal to 35. Therefore 35th term, that is 35th term is minus 81. Answer is 1. Again let us think that pth term equal to 0. Therefore with the formula we will get 21 plus p minus 1 into 3, that is first term into p minus 1 into common difference equal to 0, and it is 8. Value of p equal to 8. Therefore, it is right that one of the term is 0, which is 8th term. 8th term is 0. This is the other answer. Next question, which term of the AP 20, 90 whole 1 by 4, 18 whole 1 by 2, 17 whole 3 by 4 is its first negative term? This is a very typical term, a typical sum. Let us think, or let us say that nth term of the given AP is first negative. This is negative. This is negative. Minus it means negative term. Negative term. Here A equal to first term equal to 20 and common difference equal to 90 whole 1 by 4 minus 20, that is minus 3 by 4. Then Tn, this is Tn, let Tn be the negative term. Tn is a negative term, therefore Tn, when Tn is a negative term, the Tn is less than 0. Tn is a negative term. Tn first negative term, Tn. Therefore, Tn equal to, Tn will be 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 by 4, which is less than 0, because Tn is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative term. And after solving this, it is an inequation. It is an inequation, and after solving this, it is n is greater than 27 whole 2 by 3, that is n equal to 28. Therefore 28 term is its first negative term. This is answer. Question number 4. The fourth term of an AP is 0. Prove that its 25th term is triple its 11th term. With this formula, we will find out the fourth term. Fourth term equal to A plus 3D equal to 0, because it is given that fourth term is 0. Therefore first term equal to A equal to A first term A equal to minus 3D, and 25th term it will be A plus 24D, that is minus 3D plus 24D, that is 21D, the 25th term. Therefore 11th term is A plus 10D, that is A equal to minus 3D, A equal to first term equal to A equal to first term A equal to 3D minus 3D plus 10D, that is 7D. Then 25th term is 21D, which is 3 into 7D, that is triple of the 11th term. 11th term is, it is given 11th term we have find out, that is it is 7D. So 7D into 3, that is 25th term. 25th term is the thrice of 25th term is thrice of 11th term. It is now proved. Question number 5. Determine the nth term of an AP whose 7th term is minus 1 and 16th term is 17. Let the first term be A. Always you will remember that the first term, when it is supposed, it is A, and the common difference is D. Therefore 7th term will be A plus 6D equal to minus 1, and 16th term, that is A plus 15D equal to 17. Equating somehow the first part of the equation is done here, simultaneous equation done here, where D equal to 2 we have found out. D equal to 2, therefore A will be equal to minus 13. Therefore nth term will be minus 13 first term plus n minus 1 into D, which is 2n minus 15. Dear students, it is not possible total book to solve the total book. So the very typical type of sum is done here. If you follow these sums, you can solve other sums which are nearly equal with the sums which have been solved here. So don't afraid, and at the same time, if you have got any problem to understand any sum, you can send it in my comment box and I will solve it for you. With thanks today this much. We will follow this Devs Academy regularly. Thank you.